So this is how we make our Nigerian puff puff. It's very easy to make, but with a twist. So in my bowl, I'll be going in with half cup of sugar, and after adding my sugar, then I will now go in with 2 tablespoons of yeast. Afterward, I'll go in with 1.5 cup of warm water. Emphasis on warm water. Warm water is going to help the yeast rise. Even if you use cold water, it will rise, but it's better you use warm water. Then afterwards, I'll mix everything together. Once I'm done mixing this, then I will also go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Well, this one is optional. If you want to add vanilla flavor, you can add. And after adding my vanilla flavor, I will then go in with 15 ml of vegetable oil. I'll also mix everything together. Afterwards, I will now go in with the dry ingredient, which is my flour. Then I will go in with 4 cups of flour. While adding my flour, I'll be sieving it to remove any dirt particles from the flour. It's very important to sieve your flour while making anything at all that have to do with flour. So while I'm adding, I'll be mixing it. Then once I'm done mixing, I will then go in with 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and also 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I will also mix everything to incorporate the ingredients. At this point, the dough is sticking together, so I will have to go in with half cup of water to loosen everything up. After adding the water, I will mix together. Once I've achieved the desired consistency, then I'm not going to add any other water. I'll just be sticking with the half cup of water. So after that, I will now go in with my hands and I will add 30 grams of butter, and I will now mix this on my working surface. So I will transfer this to my working surface and mix till it is well combined. So let's take a break. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipe. And those that are my OGs, thanks for always watching my video. Please like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video more to people. So that being said, let's continue this video. So I will mix this together like this, just the way you're seeing me doing. It's going to get messy, but no worries. After I was done mixing on my working surface, I will just cover it like this for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, it has risen up, it has proved. So I will transfer it, I will mix it together again, and I will transfer it back to my bowl. Then I will head straight to frying. If you have watched to this point, that simply means you are enjoying this video. I will really appreciate a like from you. And please don't forget to comment. It's very, very important. Thanks. So let's continue. So once I'm done mixing everything, then I will start frying. I will be molding it with my hands and I will be dropping it for it to fry. If you want it to be bigger, you increase the mold just like that. And this is how I'll be doing it. So once my frying oil is hot but not too hot, I would be dipping it just like the way you're seeing me do in the video. If you want it to be bigger than the way it is, you just have to increase the drop just like this. So after I was done, I'll flip to the other side. You make sure you're there so that you'll not get burnt. After 1 minute, just be turning it. Once it's golden brown, then I will remove from my heat and I will set this to dry a little bit. And once it's dried, my puff puff is ready. So guys, I hope you give this a try. Do let me know in the comment section if you're going to give it a try. So this is how my puff puff turned out to be. Very delicious. It is made with butter. So